Uh, all right. Back with another one. So this is gonna be a quick little hack, I guess you can call it, or a trick to show you how to make a document automatically force the person that receives the link to the document, how to force them to automatically make a copy. So what do I mean by that? So let's pretend that I wanted to send this to a bunch of my colleagues, right? I made something, I want to send it to them. And I obviously don't want them to write on my copy, right? So I wanted them to write on their own, right? So, you can go to here and hit share, right? And then pick a bunch of different people, pick a bunch of people and then dictate who gets what privilege, blah, 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 all that stuff, right? Make a reviewer right here. Or you can go down here, right? And then you can actually get a link. And then you have to go in here, and then you have to make everybody a viewer or editor, and then copy the link, and then send them the link. But if you send them a link of the viewer, right, they have to make their own copy. And then it's like, it's just extra steps, right? So they get it, and then they have to hit file, copy, make copy. It's just annoying. How do you, as the sender, just make their lives easier by making them or just forcing them to just make a copy as is, right? Here's what you do. You go up here to the URL bar, right up here. See where it has /edit, right? You just take out the word edit, right? You delete the word edit and you write the word copy. Then you hit enter, right? And then this URL is what you share with your colleagues, right? Same thing I did when I automatically had you guys make a copy of the attendance verification form, right? So now that I right-clicked and copied that, I send it to Joe Schmo, and then they open it, and it's going to say, would you like to make a copy? You say, make a copy. And now you know that they're not messing up your original sheet, and now they have their own sheet without having to have extra clicks to make it a copy. And now where does this live once you make a copy? Well, it lives right here in your Google Drive, right? It just comes down here to your Google Drive, okay? And obviously up here, right, you can move it to wherever you want, okay? You can click here, right? So this is the shortcut, okay? That's it. Just a quick little hack. All right, y'all take it easy.